Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening a new box to this channel. This is the Try Beauty box, and this box is for April 2019. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is a bi-monthly box, so you get it every other month, and it's $34.99 plus $7 shipping if you're in the US. So it ends up being just about $42. So I have to read off my notes real quick here just because this is the first time I'm doing this. So it includes one face product, one tool, one eye product, and or one skin prep product. So you get 4 to 5 products in this box. And this box is basically for those trying to build their makeup collection. Also for, I think it said makeup artists, so people who need lots of variety in their makeup, or if you're like me and just a makeup hoarder and you just want new stuff. So yeah. Let me tell you real quick, I do have a giveaway going on right now for my subscribers, so I will link that down below. I'll also put a little card right up here, so if you want to get in on that, go ahead and click there. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into this. So I actually decided to do this box because I did go ahead and cancel my Lola, so I kind of wanted something to replace it, so I thought I would give this one a try. I did find a code online for 10% off my first box. Bronx is really excited when I say money, as you can hear back there. So yeah, it was like $36 or something for my first one. All right, let's see. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks just like this inside. It's got the little card right here in front that just tells us everything that we're getting in the box. Found something that squeaks back there? Ma'am? I will also put whether things are cruelty free or not if you're interested in knowing that. Okay, let's just see what we have. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out, this is the Just Chill Beauty Blender. Let's see what this says. So it says Water Activated Beauty Blender Chill is a teal makeup applicator that expands to twice its size when wet, blending liquid and powder products over the complexion. Use in bouncing motions to create a smooth airbrushed finish. So this seems to me like it's just a normal beauty blender. It's just teal, which is pretty much my favorite color. So not mad about that, and that's valued at $20, which seems accurate. So the next thing I am pulling out, this is from Rodial, I think that's how you say. This is the Glamobrow in Dark Ash Brown. So, I've never heard of this brand, so I don't know anything about it. Don't know if they're cruelty free, so let's just see what this is. Okay, so this is a precision eyebrow pencil. I guess I should have just figured that out. It does have the spoolie on this end, and then on this end will be the actual brow product. I actually don't use pencils. I'm just gonna stop swatching them because hold on, someone's thirsty. This is no excessively long drink of water. As I was saying before, somebody was so thirsty. I'm not going to swatch this just because I don't use eyebrow pencils. I just prefer a pomade with a regular brush, so I'm just not going to swatch it. This will just go into a giveaway. This is valued at $26. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is the Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. This is from the Balm, which is cruelty free. I do love their packaging. It is just fun. I really like it. So let's see what this is. Okay, so it looks like this is just a setting powder. It's got a little mirror in there, which is cute. So this would be good for like... this would be good when you like have a touch-up or something you need. Ma'am! My dogs today, they are very bossy. You okay? Okay. Josie's okay, I think. I don't use a ton of powder, but I do prefer a pressed powder over a loose powder, so I definitely will give this a try. It is a little bit tinted. I don't know if this has a color on it. It says translucent, but it is a little bit peach there. So excited to give this a try. I really do love the Balm. And the Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder is valued at $20. So not a bad price for that. Okay, looks like this is a Balm themed box. Okay, so the next thing is also from the Balm. This is the Manizer Sisters, aka the Luminizers. Again, packaging is so cute. So this looks like it has Mary Luminizer, Cindy Luminizer, and Betty Luminizer. Okay, so I'm just reading each of the Manizer sisters. So Mary Lou is the highlighter right here. Cindy Lou is right here. This says the contour artist, so that must be a contour color. And then Betty Lou is the bronzing bandit, so that's for bronzing. So definitely interested in playing around with this. I love the Balm, like I said before. I have a full thing of Mary Lou, but I'm kind of excited to try the other ones out. I can go ahead and do a quick swatch for those who would like to see that. There they are in my hands. So this is Mary Lou. Ooh, it looks very white. Let me kind of blend that out so you can kind of see. So there's that. Betty Lou, the bronzer. So it is a shimmery bronzer right there. And then Cindy Lou for contour, which to me is more blush. You can see it right there on my knuckles. It's a like pale peach sort of color. So yeah. Okay, and that trio is valued at $28. So excited about that. Okay, I have one more thing in here. So this is from Pierre, which is cruelty free. This is a 12 color pro lip palette. So I will open this just so you can see it, but I'm not going to swatch any of it because I am not going to use this. So there it is right there. There's a bunch of colors. I just find that I don't get use out of these. It's nice for like a first application in my opinion, but when you want to touch up, like nobody's going to want to carry this big thing around, and then you have to have a lipstick brush. So these are fun in theory in my opinion, and this actually does have a brush in here now that I said that. I just don't think they're practical. So if you're maybe going somewhere for a couple hours and you know you're not going to touch up, this would be great. But for me personally, I have to reapply multiple times a day no matter what I'm wearing, just because my mouth is moving a lot, I'm talking a lot at work. So yeah, but it is cruelty free. This will be going into a giveaway, and it is valued at $50. That seems a little bit expensive, but I mean, I personally wouldn't pay $50 for this, but I guess if you're getting 12 colors, you still wouldn't pay $50 for it. That's just my opinion. I think that's everything for this box. What did you guys think? Is this something I should keep getting? I think it's definitely worth the $34 plus shipping, so like 40 bucks that I paid. Just with these two products alone, these are products that I am excited to get, that I would definitely possibly purchase for myself. I just really like this brand. And a beauty blender, you can never have too many of these. You know, yours gets dirty, it gets old, you gotta get rid of it. So it's always nice to have a backup for that. This is just personal preference. I don't like pencils or automatic pencils for my brows. Some people do. So I'm not mad that I got it. It's just personally not something I would ever buy. This is the only thing where I'm like, meh. I don't know if anybody really would love this, but maybe there's some people who really enjoy like blending and making their own lip colors. That's just not me, personally. But yeah, I would love to know your thoughts on this, if I should keep getting it. I do have a little bit to decide since there won't be another one until June. So yeah. As always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And don't forget to check out the video with the giveaway. As I said before, I'll have it linked below. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.